What's up guys, Joe here, back with another video. Today, I am going to unbox the Benro Aero 2. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to be updated for my upcoming videos. I do unboxing and review and also DIY on this channel. So please subscribe to be updated with my latest video. So let's get started. This tripod has a very good quality. I think this is about $170. This is 8,900 in peso. If you convert it to dollar, I think it's about $170. A great quality, solid, and not heavy. It's lightweight. You can carry it around. Also, you can convert this into monopod. You can remove this arm here and convert it to monopod. That's it guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe for more videos to come. Have fun and enjoy watching.